First of all, let's talk about Tizen. So just last night, about 9 p.m., the Linux Foundation and Limo Foundation announced a new open source project called Tizen. And Tizen is a truly standards-based, cross-architecture, open source software project that's going to support a wide range of devices. Starting with smartphones, but tablets, smart TVs, in-vehicle infotainment. So a whole set of devices it's focused on and it's going to be enabling. It'll be hosted, the project will be hosted by the Linux Foundation. It'll have Intel and Samsung as the co-chairs of the technical steering group. And it will be truly open and with an open governance structure. The time frame, I think Hank mentioned, I'll just reinforce that, is you'll see the first versions of Tizen come out in Q1 of next year, and then devices should be hitting the market by about middle of next year. So let's go into just a little bit more detail on this. So essentially, Tizen takes the best of MeeGo and the best of Limo and combines them and adds a couple new ingredients as well. MeeGo has a great following with the open source community. Some of the top developers in the open source community contribute and innovate and are making have made some substantial new capabilities and new advancements with MeeGo for a mobile version of Linux. We're combining that with the Limo Foundation, who has broad support from carriers and operators and actually knows what the carrier operators really want and has been responding really well to them. Put that together and you have a solution now that can be customized, optimized, and actually flexible enough to work for the carriers and the operators in the industry. So to meet their business model needs and to provide the stickiness to the customers that they're looking for. Add to that application framework that's based on HTML5 and the wholesale application community, the WAC APIs, and you now have a software framework that'll run across Tizen, but also across where the rest of the mobile devices and mobile platforms are going in the industry. So you can take it, you can leverage your software across a wide range of devices. For MeeGo, if you've already been developing, so a lot of you have been developing MeeGo applications for a while now, and we have a number of MeeGo netbook applications that are submitted in our store today. Those will continue to remain compatible moving forward, so the future versions of Tizen for the netbook will also be compatible with your MeeGo applications, but also add the HTML5 framework so you can develop those as well. That's really good news for you. If you're developing a tablet application or a smartphone application, you want to start today with HTML5. That's really the best way to do this, and that's going to provide the most opportunity for you to leverage that software across the industry. We have the App Developer Program. It's going to provide a whole set of resources and support to help you learn about Tizen, take advantage of it, and move your applications to Tizen. Look forward to more information coming on the SDK. As members of App Developer Program, you'll be one of the first ones to know about this. As soon as the SDK is available, we'll get you information on that and get you started right away. The other big, well, just to wrap up, we're really excited about Tizen. So the opportunity to work with Samsung and the operators in the industry is huge, and it really does provide an open alternative for mobile devices, for a mobile software platform for them. So that's Tizen.